The goshawk. Armed with all the tools of the trade. Acute binocular vision, a sharp-hooked beak for ripping into flesh, and large, curved talons for grasping prey. That's standard issue. What makes her exceptional is how she chases down her prey. In a few wing beats, she hits 32 miles per hour, the fastest acceleration of almost any raptor. Using her tail as an air brake, she turns on a dime. Contort to the smallest gap. She needs to hit her target before it reaches cover. Hugging the terrain conceals her approach. And if it doesn't work the first time, goshawks are not just agile, they're patient too.